Hello and welcome to my Master Affiliate Profits Review YouTube channel. My name's Dory O'Neill, and I'm here to share with you information that is vital to your success, and your ability to make money online fast and easy. You see, I've been blessed in my life to have people that have helped me succeed. I recently turned 65 years of age. I look back on my life now that I'm semi-retired and realize that I owe a great deal of my success to people that mentored me. I believe that you deserve success in your life. I believe that you deserve to have a mentor in your corner that will help you succeed online. And because of those beliefs, I've dedicated myself to helping people just like you succeed online. I've not only dedicated myself to doing and making that a reality for people just like you, I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm providing people like you with bonuses, tools, and services, mentoring services at absolutely zero cost to you. So the program that I back is Master Affiliate Profits. It's an all-in-one affiliate marketing platform that has everything you need to succeed online, including advanced training and support from the creators, John Thornhill and the Martins, Omar and Melinda Martin. But there's a reality, there's a dark truth about anything when it comes to making money online. And that is that time is everyone's enemy. You see, we were all born with 24 hours in a day. So if you join Master Affiliate Profits and you think, okay, I'd like to make money online fast, there's a roadblock. And the roadblock is the time that it'll take you to go through the 41 courses that will lead you to the correct way to make money online. So I decided that I'm going to upset the apple cart. I'm going to change the sequences, and I'm going to shorten the pathway from the moment you join to the moment you're able to make money online. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to do that by providing you with several success elements. You're going to be able to look over my shoulder as I show you the how-tos when you're stuck. And I'm going to do it by providing you with access to online regularly held webinars that are conducted by myself and other mentors that are dedicated to the same cause, helping you make money online. The second element that I'm going to provide for you is done-for-you setup for your Master Affiliate Profits platform. So when most people join Master Affiliate Profits, it can take them anywhere from 24 to 72 hours just to set up their email sequences. I'm going to provide you with done-for-you, turnkey email sequences that will allow you to get into business right away. When you progress and become a paid member of Master Affiliate Profits, I'm going to provide you with a done-for-you YouTube viral funnel. So what is a YouTube viral funnel? Well, it is a funnel that when somebody joins, they receive a 10-day email and video sequence of the features and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. And you can check out the bonus that you'll receive yourself right now by going to yesshowme.com/map. And as you progress through the 10 days, you're going to see and understand all the features and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. And below each day's video, you're going to see a link to join Master Affiliate Profits. Value of that bonus alone is $5,000. It is yours 100% free. In addition to that, you're going to get free traffic software from me at no cost. All done for you, ready to set up, ready to go. All of these bonuses are for free, but they're designed to shorten the time from when you join to when you make money. So at the end of the experience in joining Master Affiliate Profits, what you have is a shortening of the time from the day you join to the day you're able to make money, and you really only have one task to do, and that is to drive traffic to the front end of your free YouTube viral funnel. The funnel takes care of the educational process and gets more people to enroll in Master Affiliate Profits. You've captured their email right up front, which is very, very powerful, will lead to you making even more profits. But there could come a time when you're stuck, when you need extra help, and that's when our regularly held, and these are over and above what's offered on the Master Affiliate Profits platform. And you're going to be able to attend, you're going to be able to watch the recordings, and you're going to be able to message me, you're going to be able to message other mentors that are part of my team, and that's going to lead you to additional success. So if you're looking at Master Affiliate Profits, if you're looking to make money online, if you would like to have additional help and resources and somebody there to hold your hand as you go through the journey, I encourage you to join Master Affiliate Profit. I'd like to ask you a favor. And this favor is a favor both to me and to yourself. Please subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you're going to gain access to some advanced training and videos. I'd like you to make a comment and share with the people that'll watch this video what some of your questions are. And I promise I'll answer those questions. And those questions, by asking them, will help other people understand some of the challenges that you face, and it'll help them earn money faster. And in the end, it all becomes a community of success. And please like this video if you found it useful. My name is Dory O'Neill. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profit.